How to create an account with Brevo. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with Brevo. Let's get started. First, head over to brevo.com. Once you're on the homepage, start by entering your email address and make sure it's valid. This will be used for account access and recovery. Next, create a secure password, then click the Create an Account button to proceed. Brevo will now ask you to verify your email. Check your inbox for a confirmation email and click the verification link. Once verified, go back to brevo.com and log in using your email and password. After logging in, Brevo will prompt you to enter your personal details. Click Continue when done. Next, input your address details and click Continue again. Now, Brevo will ask for information about your business. Fill that out and proceed. You will now then be asked to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number, click Send Verification Code, then input the code you received to verify. Finally, choose a plan. Brevo offers various options, including a free plan, great if you're just starting out. Pick the one that suits your needs. You can always upgrade later. And that's it. You have now successfully created your Brevo account and you're ready to explore. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.